I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right bulb and basic tools. This saves time. Once the battery is disconnected, remove any plastic covers or airbox pieces blocking the headlight. Make sure the engine is cool and you're wearing gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Now unclip the headlight connector and release retention screws or tabs. You're creating direct access to the lamp assembly so that the actual replacement step is straightforward and safe. Next, rotate or unclip the bulb holder and carefully remove the old lamp while noting connector orientation. Once removed, inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion, clean contacts if necessary. Take the new bulb from its box and only touch the base. Oils on glass shorten life. Insert the bulb straight, align tabs, and lock the holder with its clip or twist motion. Make sure the harness snaps back in. A loose connector causes intermittent operation. Reinstall any removed covers to restore sealing. Finally, reconnect the battery and test the lights immediately. Check both high and low beams. Park facing a wall or use a level road to confirm beam pattern and adjust aim using the housing screws to vehicle spec so you don't blind others. Refit trim and secure all fasteners. If the light flickers or won't come on, verify the fuse, ensure a solid ground, and confirm you use the correct bulb type. Often the issue is a loose connector or wrong wattage, not the lamp itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.